Hi, I'm Jane Sully Morgan.
And I'm Aaron Berry. We started our small film and animation shop in 2014.
Here in beautiful Point Richmond, California.
It's called Skycar Creative.
Here's some of the work we do.
We'd like to introduce you to the artists who have immersed themselves in Adobe Stock to make 3 beautiful animated commercials using only stock assets.
My name is Eunha Choi, and people like to call me Eunha. I do design and art direction in the entertainment and commercial industries. I'm so excited about to share the original process of my design for Make It Happen series. Before I start work, usually I make fresh coffee with oat milk. Then I feed my cat, Simba. My role was to create the surreal, whimsical world using totally from Adobe Stock. I juxtaposed unmatched objects, nature like a lush foliage, and the geometric artificial objects. And also I combined the holographic colors, the traffic colors to build unexpected visual harmony. There were tons of the images, especially digital artwork and digital renders. I searched for holographics and abstract geometric shapes. I used color picker to narrow the result. I searched for flamingo, then filter by isolate only, so I didn't have to select out myself. Once the scene was coming together, I want to frame it with some lush foliage in the foreground. I took a photo of plants from my workspace and used to find a similar function in Adobe Stock to find the relevant images. I did a pattern and texture in Adobe Stock, and I brought the vector patterns from Illustrator, and then I bring into Photoshop, and then I overlay on top of leaves and other objects. I loved playing with the blending mode to create the unpredictable looks. I built everything in the Photoshop using vector, pattern, color effect. The result that is I envisioned, I like the result and I hope you like too. Thanks for watching and feel free to check out Skycar's Adobe Stock collection.